Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you step by step on how to add custom domain to your Shopify store. Whether you have already bought a domain or you are thinking about getting one, I have got you covered. First of all, why bother with a custom domain? Simple. It makes your store look professional, helps build trust with customers, and it's easier to remember. Instead of something like your store.myshopify.com, you will get your store.com. All right, let's jump in. First of all, go to shopify.com. Now, log into your account. Click login. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the bottom left and click on settings. Then scroll down and choose domains. Here's where you manage everything related to your store's web address. You will see two main options: buy new domain and connecting existing domain. Buy new domain directly from Shopify or connect existing domain if you already own one from sites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Now, let's say you want to buy through Shopify. Just click on Buy New Domain. Then type your desired name like that and see if it's available. Prices usually range from uh, $40 to $20 per year. Follow the prompts to check out and it's automatically set up with your store. Already have a domain? No problem. Click connect existing domain from here and type in your in the domain name. Shopify will then provide DNS settings. You will need to update at your domain registrar. Usually, you will change the area code to Shopify's IP address like 23.227.38.65 and point the CNAME to shops.myshopify.com. This tells your domain to connect to your Shopify store. Once you have updated your DNS settings, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. It might take a few minutes to update, sometimes up to 48 hours depending on your registrar. After it's connected, scroll down and choose your primary domain. Just click on your domain name, then select primary domain from here. This is the address customers will see. You can also check the box to automatically redirect all traffic from the .myshopify.com version. A few tips: DNS changes can take. Be patient. Clear your cache if the domain seems unresponsive. If you are stuck, Shopify support or your domain provider can help. Thinking of getting a custom domain for your Shopify store? You might be wondering, should I buy it directly from Shopify or go with another provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains? Let's break it down. When you buy a domain from Shopify, set setup is super simple. No DNS records, no third party panels. Shopify automatically configures everything. It's perfect for beginners. who want to a quick, hassle-free setup. Pros: seamless integration, automatic setup, easy domain management within Shopify. Cons: slightly higher price, around 14 to $20 per year. Few advanced controls, no email hosting included. On the flip side, buying from providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap gives you more control. You can set up email, forward domains, and manage DNS independently. Great for users who want flexibility. Pros: often cheaper, $8 to $20 per year, includes email forwarding and DNS control. You keep full ownership separate from your store. Cons: manual setup with Shopify. You must update DNS records yourself. Slight learning curve for beginners. If you want simplicity and speed, Shopify is the best choice. But if you are looking for long term control, email hosting, or planning to run multiple sites, a third party domain provider might be better. You can always connect a domain from another provider to Shopify later. So you are never locked in. Both options work well, it just depends on your needs. When you buy a domain through Shopify, it's all handled in one place. You don't have to deal with any DNS records or third party control panels. Shopify will automatically connect the domain to your store and even renew it for you each year. Third-party domain registers offer more flexibility. You can offer get cheaper prices, sometimes under $10 per year, and access to features like domain forwarding, custom DNS, and email services. But you will need to manually point to the domain to Shopify. Let's say you are just starting your first Shopify store. Buying the domain directly from Shopify will save you time and reduce frustration. But if you are running multiple sites or planning to migrate your store later, buying from a third party provider gives you more long-term control. In the end, both options work and just depend on your needs. If this helped you understand the difference, hit like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Let me know in the comments which option are you choosing, Shopify or third party. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.